Have you ever been completely stuck trying to solve a problem that seemed easy? Or had that frustrating feeling of this should be simple? Why can't I figure it out? Maybe, just maybe, what you're missing is logical thinking. But wait, this isn't a criticism, it's an invitation. Today, we are diving into logical thinking really is and why it's one of the most important skills you can develop, especially if you are heading into tech. But before we start, here is a quick challenge. Can you explain what logical thinking is without using the words logic or math? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see how creative you can get. When people hear logical thinking, they usually picture scary test questions full of numbers and impossible puzzles. But it's actually way more common than that. Think about this. If it's raining, you bring an umbrella. If the light bulb is out, you replace it. If your phone is dying, you charge it. They're all examples of using information to make decisions. That's logical thinking in real life. But why does this matter, especially in tech? Let me give you a few real-world examples. A programmer needs to write step-by-step instructions a computer can follow. That takes structured thinking. A data scientist needs to analyze data and identify relationships. That requires logical deduction. As software engineers need to simulate scenarios, predict bugs, and choose the best solution. That takes reasoning skills. Whether you're debugging, optimizing, or just choosing between two tools, you're relying on logical thinking. Here's the best part. Logical thinking is a trainable skill. Everyone is born with the potential. We just don't always keep using it. As kids, we naturally develop it through puzzles, Legos, or problem-solving games. But if we stop practicing, the skill gets rusty. So, how do you get better? Solve problems like Sudoku or Rubik's Cube, try logic games or strategy games like chess, Go, or even modern board games. Learn programming, even if you don't want to be a developer. Study math with the goal of understanding, not memorizing formulas. And here's a golden tip. Fail proudly. Seriously, every time you make a mistake, you learn more about how you think. But logical thinking isn't just for tech careers. It can help you make better financial decisions, organize your time more effectively, avoid failing for fake news by questioning information, build strong arguments in interview or debates. In short, this is a life skill, not just a career skill. Did you know? Logical thinking is actually the foundation of modern computing. In the 1930s, Alan Turing created a theoretical machine powered by logic that laid the groundwork for today's computers. Mind-blowing, right? Now that you know what logical thinking is, why it matters, and how to train it, tell me, which of these activities have you used to improve your thinking? Programming, puzzles, chess? And don't forget the challenge. Explain what logical thinking is without using the words logic or math. I'm watching the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who always frees on simple problems. See you in the next video, and until then, keep flexing your thinking muscle.